Hey, we are here in Sydney. Where are we? We're Sydney, aren't we?
Sydney.
Yes. It's the CPA Management Accounting Conference. So we just finished up the
In
Sydney
Sydney,
session.
the
Yes.
third out of four, so nearly done.
Yeah. So this is Andrew Jepson. We have been following each other around the country. So Andrew's been presenting on
Finance business partnership and taking data to insight.
Yeah.
And I spend about 3 hours warming up the crowd for Danielle to then come in and finish off day two.
So we do Andrew's session in the morning, and then I'm in the afternoon doing dashboards in Modern Excel. So we had a great group. It was a big group here in Sydney. So I wanted to talk to you today, Andrew, about finance business partnering, because it's something that I've heard. I mean, I hesitate to call it a buzzword, but I've been hearing so much about it, and it wasn't until I sat in the very first session that you ran in Adelaide that it really gelled for me about what it actually was. And I realised, of course, it's something that we've been doing all along. So tell us a bit more about it, Andrew.
Yeah, I guess the easiest thing to relate to is the fact that the CPA is running a management accounting conference. So finance business partnering is effectively management accounting. It's just, had a nice sexy buzzword wrapped around it recently. It is extending a little bit more, and the importance of your relationships and your connections with people in other functions is really critical. So you can crunch numbers till the cows come home and spend a whole lot of time in data and the what of what's happening. But if you want to be good at finance business partnering, you've got to get to insight and the so what next, how do we improve, and that's the stuff that I spend a lot of my time on, and a lot of that stuff is how do you connect and form relationships with people outside of finance who, for want of a better word, they have no idea what you're talking about. They don't know the language that you speak, and you've got to work on that to be able to influence them. So that's the extension. It's effectively management accounting, but with a more of a relationship and connection part.
I mean, relationships are so important, aren't they?
Very much so. They're pretty much the distinguishing factor between just an average accountant and someone who is influencing in an organisation.
So true. Thanks, Andrew.
No worries.